So my name is Ricardo Coelho. I work for FCiências.ID. So it's an association that works inside the University of Lisbon and has also other companies in it. So in this project, our main responsibility relates with the case studies evaluation. So we are looking into the climate impacts, the mitigation and the adaptation capabilities, and the model is going to be developed within Work Package 6. And finally, using the model, we are going to assess the results and make recommendations to the case studies themselves. Besides being Work Package 6 leader, we are also responsible for the case study of Azores. So the Azores Islands, the main challenge for them is their location. They are very isolated in the Atlantic Ocean, a set of 9 different islands. And the sectors that we found that were interesting to study within the scope of Rethink Action were related with agriculture and tourism, which are 2 very important economical sectors within the Azores. And for those 2 sectors, there are 2 main issues, important issues for them related with energy and water availability. So now water is quite abundant in the Azores, but they are concerned that this may not be the case with climate change, and they're also worried about impacts with the excess of water. So when there are extreme events like precipitation or storms, they want to know what their resilience is. One of the things they want to know is the impact of a measure in the economy. So if we do this, what will happen to agriculture? Because we have such a big export. If we become, let's say, more independent in terms of food supply, then what will happen to our major export? Things like this. And also, what will be the farming capacity if climate change is going to hit harder? We're going to see if the model can respond to these issues or how close it can get to respond to these issues. And I think that they will be interested in knowing what we have studied, what we have considered in such a dynamic way with the system modeling. I think it's important to level our ambition in a way that it's useful for the stakeholders. If we do too much, then maybe we don't do it well enough. If we do too little but very well, that may not be interesting for the stakeholders. So we have to find a balance between our capacity and the results that will be interesting for the stakeholders.